So tell me, are your products mainly for homeowners or are they mainly for professional cleaners or is it a good mix of both? Can anybody use them? What's the breakdown there?
Both. It's meant for families and cleaning businesses. I think right now I have about 1,200 cleaning companies that buy my products. It's growing. The movement's working. And I love it because the families are starting to see the difference in their homes from the cleaners using it. And then what they do is they buy it now. So they buy the starter set and they keep that in their home, or they buy 5 bottles and then they buy the 32 ounce and they keep one in their kitchen, they keep one in their shower, their bathrooms. So it's perfect for everybody to use. And I love that.
Is there anything it cannot be used on, like stains or coffee or
Nope, everything.
pets or
It's literally safe. I use it on everything.
so what is the official name of the product? We've seen the products, but what are the names of the products?
It's PUR Evergreen is my business. And that's the name of the product. I actually came up with the name, Angela, because my cleaning company was Evergreen Eco Clean.
Hmm.
And so the word evergreen, I wanted part of my cleaning business to be a part of this new business. So that's how I became PUR Evergreen.
Oh, I love that. Where are your products? Are they only on your website or can people find them elsewhere?
They can order it on my website, or there is some places I'm slowly expanding and some stores are starting to slowly pick up on stuff. If you're in Colorado, I have a few places here, but right now it's all online. It's an education. So I think that's where people don't fathom they need to learn about it and have that education behind it. So
Well, anytime that there is something that's new on the market, there is an education phase. And I love the fact that you're willing to go through that because, like I said earlier, up against some really stiff competition. And you're like, don't worry about me. I'm coming through. You know what I mean? And I love that. In a perfect world, where would you like to be as far as the distribution of your products?
I would like to focus on a mom and pop place in your town or a smaller store. I would like to be a part of that because I want to support them.